going to buy a knob with my knob.
Driving, you fool.
Sorry. We're decorating in a minute. I'll show you the colour of our furniture in the lounge. See it? Some... I don't know how to describe the colour. What was the name of it? Do you remember? It was like... something about boat.
Something about boat.
I don't remember, but I really do like the colour.
I thought it was something view.
Boat view, maybe?
No,
Sea view?
Nothing to do with a
Oh,
boat.
I've got boat in my head. Anyway, so we've got one wall grey and the rest of them are pink, which you wouldn't necessarily perhaps maybe choose like a turquoisey greeny colour to paint the furniture, but I would. Look at my chickens that think being chickens is an extreme sport. You see that one there? There. And there. I just saw the white one, or one of the white ones, just go running through there. Oh, there's another one over there too. I wouldn't go in there with the chickens. No, I wouldn't. Oh, that's not what I mean. I wouldn't go in there with the pigs. They're loons, just loons. This is how decorating's coming along. Look at the stuff everywhere. This is the dog's whelping box because she was actually due on Sunday, but I suspect she's actually having a phantom pregnancy. It's not really picking the colour up very well, but oh my goodness me, it looks like, I don't know, we've been burgled or we're camping or something, but I am loving this colour. It doesn't show up very well, but it's really beautiful. I wonder if this would help. I'll just clean you, you dirty wretches. No, it's not helping, is it? Well, anyway, yeah. Oh, we threw our sofa away today. Threw it away. Excellent. Good choice. I'm here with Tor. We're just trying to choose a light fitting and a curtain pole and actual curtains, yeah. And Adam says that I'm tense, so he's helping. Look. I'm gonna swing from a chandelier. He keeps stopping. Do you want to see a lovely knob? Okay, I'll show you. Look at my knob. Isn't it beautiful?
Somebody grinding.
So after last week's visit to somewhere outside of our local town, where I had diazepam, this week I am going with no diazepam. So I am now completely medication free right now. I will let you know how I go, probably during or when I get back. Yeah. We're almost there. Almost isn't a word. Oh dear. We are almost there. I would say that my anxiety is maybe 6 out of 10. She's excited. She is very excited. Where are we going, puppy? I think she thinks we're going somewhere good, not just... Oh, this is pretty. Let me turn the camera around. Hang on. It's so pretty down here. Oh, I think it was recently the Ilminster experience. Oh, yes, there's a space. Yes. Where we park makes a huge amount of difference as to how successful an outing is. So being able to park close to where we need to go and close to the escape is excellent. Hi baby, I think he looks like a hottie today. He looks nice in shorts. Whoops, there's a bloke totally behind him. Shh. Anxiety went up to about an 8 whilst we were just in the health food shop. because he was taking a really long time and I was just like, oh my gosh, look!
They come down here and got one of their plate charts.
Ah, that's so cool. It's Thursday. I had to have a really long think then. I slept really badly last night and my body hurts. I've got like pains in my womb area. I don't know what that is. I get them all the time actually. I think maybe it's like IBS or I don't know, ovulation ache, something like that. And my bones ache as well, so I think the weather's probably changing. Anyway, I woke up and got up at, I don't know, 7:15. And Oliver needed to go to the doctors because his eyes have flared up again. They said today that it's conjunctivitis in both eyes, so it's not the orbital cellulitis now. And they have also said that he needs to not go to the farm for a while until it's recovered. It or he, until the situation has recovered. I'm about to go and play on the Xbox with him because I just want to spend some time with my baby. And I meant to say that yesterday, apart from there was a bit of a pleb incident in Ilminster, we went into a shop. It was a really lovely shop actually. Potentially it was a lovely shop. It was called it's in Ilminster. And I went in there and they shouted across the shop floor, "Oh, sorry, we don't allow dogs in here." I said, "She's an assistance dog in training." He was like, "Oh, I'm so sorry, please do stay then." But to be honest, by the time he shouted across the shop floor, don't really feel like carrying on shopping in there. So we left. I don't like it when that happens. It was really hot yesterday. I can't imagine why anybody would be walking around with a dog with a jacket on if it wasn't a working dog, because that would be pretty cruel. I just think if you have a shop, go and have a look before you start yelling across the shop floor. Okay, fair enough, you don't allow dogs in your shop. That's fine, that's absolutely your prerogative. But go and look before you yell across, "We don't allow dogs in here," because, you know, it's not great customer relations and it puts people off going in there. I doubt I'll go back in there again. What I did do though was, did I tweet about it? No, I wrote a review on their Google page because I just think it's, you know, you watch my vlogs, sometimes it's really bloody hard going to a different town, let alone, you know, doing things like that. Really hard. I just had a panic shop. Oh no, I hadn't had a panic shop. Wow, I need to sleep more. I just had a panic attack in a shop before, so them telling me in a really loud voice in front of everybody across the shop, "No, we don't allow dogs in here." Jog on. Anyway, today's another day. Yes, another day. I'm sure we're probably going to be doing more decorating. I can't wait until it's finished. I feel like we're stuck with the decorating. We've got one grey. Oh, come on. We've got one wall that is grey in a tone called Mono, and it's really so beautiful. It's such a beautiful shade of soft grey. And we have 3 other walls in a colour called, I think it's called Chemise. It's a very, 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 very pale pink. And I've painted the furniture. I think it's almost like a very pale turquoise, but apparently it's green. But I kind of keep seeing it as blue, but you know, I'll show you at some point. I don't know if I've already shown you. I'll show you anyway. I just can't wait until all the furniture's back in and it's all back to normal. But look at my puppy. She's so cute. Hello, puppy, puppy, puppy. Are you just tired? You're just tired, baby. I just want to squish her face off. She's so yummy. Just came downstairs to make Ollie and I a smoothie or a protein shake or whatever for breakfast. The ice is in the garage freezer and I can't get to it, so we are having a very nutritious breakfast. rebels. I just don't know why I'm not losing weight, you know. It's a complete mystery. Aren't you going to get them working harmoniously together again?
They'll work about harmoniously.
I think the internet probably wants to see that.
Oh my god, that's one of the best you've done it.
It's quite successful.
Wonder why she's put the makeup on when she's not going anywhere. I don't really understand teenagers completely. Where does she go? I have a table at home and I need the top of the wood to be darker. And I've just been following this chart as to what I need to get. It's like a teeny weeny stretch of wood. So I'm actually going to have to pay £10 to make one teeny weeny bit of wood dark. Because there's nothing else I can use on it. As far as I can tell. Why is it so difficult? More painting. I couldn't be more sick of painting furniture. I was just saying that a couple of friends actually that I know, they do this for a living and they're brilliant at it. But I wonder how it holds their interest. Well, I suppose I do have an extremely short attention span, but I do find it extremely boring. Ooh, my shelf's actually going to fall over. We're good here. I just want it to be done. I just want it to be done already. No?
Oh really? When do you see them? Oh, that's right, you don't because the doors are shut.
You do see a little bit of them.
How, when?
When they're just in the drawers, because there's always a little gap, isn't there? So don't try to be too much of a rebel.
Well, it's probably a rebel, right?
How does it look?
Green. It's a lot better than it looks.
I can't show you where I am. Okay, we've got plants. More plants. Yes, more plants.